Hello, I'm Miss A. Soma. Welcome to my Japanese learning lesson. This video is about Domo. Domo is a super useful phrase. You can hear Domo many times while in Japan. There are many things to cover, so I have made 3 videos to make it easier to understand. Let's get started. In this first video, we are going to talk about the usage of Domo in greetings. But first, let's check Domo on Google. It says thanks. That's right. Domo is a casual way to say thanks. Now, let me show you some examples.
Example 1.
At your friend's house, your friend's young daughter serves you a coffee.
コーヒーどうぞ。
あ、どうも。
どうも。
Can just one word be used to say both thanks and you're welcome? In Japanese, yes. Don't worry, that's okay. Let's check more examples.
Example 2.
どうも。あ、どうも。あ、どうも。あ、どうも。どうも。お、どうも。
どうも。はい、どうもね。Example 3.
When you see your friend after a long time. あ、どうも。よー、どうもどうも。
Example 4.
At a funeral. どうも。
Example 5.
When you accidentally step someone's foot. あ、どうも。You might think that, so Domo can cover almost all greetings in Japan. That's right. I recommend using Domo when you forget a Japanese phrase that you wanted to say. Domo is helpful in almost any situation. But hold on. What does Domo mean? It is originally based on this sentence, どうも言えぬ, which means I cannot express my feeling with words. I cannot put my feelings into words. That's one of the reasons why Domo can fit many situations. When we feel saying typical greetings like こんにちは, ありがとうございます are too ritual, we say どうも. It's like in English, when you greet to your close friends, you wouldn't say good afternoon or good evening, right? Just saying domo can be a sign that you are close enough to somebody to speak in a casual manner. When we communicate with close friends, we have many feelings which we cannot convey with common phrases. So in Japanese, just saying domo is often a sign of trust and closeness. However, we can also say domo to people who we have met for the first time, like workers in many places in Japan, especially in department store or many shops. As a reply of their saying, いらっしゃいませ and ありがとうございました. I've made a video about Japanese arigato. Please press the link here to get a better understanding of this lesson. As a reply to the workers, いらっしゃいませ and ありがとうございました, I recommend to say どうも because there is no proper way to reply in Japanese. So, どうも, which literally means I cannot express my feelings with words, fits here. Just remember that native Japanese people say nothing to them. That's not rude. It's just the culture in Japan. While we can say domo with close friends and also strangers, it's still a little bit rude to use only domo to your boss or older people. To your boss or older people, you should use longer phrases. And in that case, Domo can help you. Domo makes greeting phrases longer and politer, more polite.
Example 1.
At your friend's house, your friend's mother serves your coffee. はい、コーヒーどうぞ。あ、どうもありがとうございます。いいえ、どうも。
Example 2.
Greetings to older people. どうもおはようございます。
はい、おはよう。
あ、どうもこんにちは。
はい、こんにちは。
どうもさようなら。
はい、さようなら。
どうもおやすみなさい。
はい、おやすみ。
Example 3.
When you see your coworker after a long time. あ、どうもお久しぶりです。いやー、どうもお久しぶりです。
Example 4.
In someone's funeral, polite way. どうもこの度はご愁傷様。
Example 5.
When you accidentally step someone's foot severely. どうもすみません。In all these cases, you can omit domo. But if you adding domo, the expression more heartfelt or sincere. In my opinion, Japanese believes that the most important thing cannot be described by using words. That's why we have so many manga and anime, game, visual. So adding domo before typical greetings implies that you want to communicate people with heart to heart, not just words. I have many feelings which cannot be expressed by words, so I just say goodbye. どうも、さようなら. Maybe in English, we could translate as I wanted to invest more time with you, or we hope to see you again, or something. I really appreciate it. I have no words to express my appreciation, but thank you so much. どうもありがとうございます。I'm really sorry. I have no words to express my feelings, but please accept my apology.
どうもすみません。
Domo can add really Japanese-like emotion to your phrases. Try using Domo with Japanese language friends. It will make your communication more smooth and relaxed. It will make your relationship more natural. So that was part 1 of Domo. I hope you enjoyed it. I will explain how Domo can be used as an adverb in part 2. I think many students learn Domo as an adverb first in your intermediate Japanese textbooks. So, for more interesting lessons, please subscribe to this channel below. よろしくお願いします。どうもありがとうございました。お疲れ様でした。どうも